Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be looking at forward folds and the amazing benefits that forward folds have on your body. Not just your body guys, your mind, your body and your spirit. I'm also going to talk you through how to deepen your forward folds and how to increase your body's flexibility, stretching and strengthening your muscles. If you're watching guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment and share this video. It literally means the whole wide world to me. I appreciate you so much. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it, you guys. Forward folds can really help alleviate mild depression, stress and anxiety. First things first, before I get into my forward folds, I like to just warm up my body, my legs, my back, my calves, my hamstrings. It's really good for your hamstrings. And see, when you feel like so much pain when you're in your forward fold, it's really vital to breathe deeply and mindfully. Try and breathe into your calves or your hamstrings. By breathing deeply and mindfully and consciously, it really helps to alleviate stress. And whenever if you're feeling, next time guys, if you're ever feeling down or anything, just I swear get into a forward fold. Take 10 conscious deep breaths and see if it helps you. Downward dog is really great at calming the mind and brain as well. I'm just warming up all the muscles in my legs by stepping on my tiptoes like so. Stretching really helps to strengthen the muscles and it really helps to prevent the likelihood of injury whilst exercising. And I also believe when it comes to stretching, consistency is key. Do these little stretches daily if you can, and before you know it, you will notice vast improvements within your body's strength and flexibility. Also, I feel like consistency is basically the answer to life. Whatever you want, consistency is basically the key. Anywho's, before I get onto another tangent, I'm now just going to do a forward fold sitting down. First, I'm just going to tie up my hair because it's super windy. And we're going to come into our seated forward fold. Only are forward folds amazing at reducing stress, anxiety, depression. They also help to reduce fatigue. They really help to energize the body. They are amazing for soothing your nerves and calming your mind. And they also relieve tension in the spine, neck and back. I'm just leaning into one foot at a time, trying to touch my head to my knee. And don't worry if you can't do this. Give your body patience, kindness and acceptance. All is coming. Practice and all is coming, you guys. I'm trying to go between my legs all the way to the floor, just taking deep conscious breaths as I do. Breathing into my legs. Breathe in gratitude and give thanks for your legs, for your body, for your mind, for your spirit, for this day. To be alive is truly a gift, you guys. Cherish it. I know sometimes we forget, even me, I forget. So this is as much as for me as it is for you. We take it for granted sometimes. We are just touching the opposite elbow to opposite knee. So vital to just take a minute to show gratitude for this minute, this second. And when you're in a state of gratitude, you basically attract abundance. So what are you grateful for today? Comment down below. I'm grateful for you watching this video. I appreciate you so much. Just coming into a wide forward fold. Forward folds are great at activating the abdominal muscles. They also strengthen your thighs, your knees. Tap tapping my opposite elbow to the opposite knee like so. This is a really great stretch for your hamstrings as well. Forward folds are really good at improving your digestion. They stimulate your kidneys and your liver. They may also lower high blood pressure, and they're really therapeutic if you suffer from asthma, headaches, or insomnia, and they also help to relieve tension in the spine, neck, and back. This is quite tricky, but I like to step on my hands and then step on your tiptoes. It's a really good asana. But be cautious, you guys. I don't recommend trying this unless you feel fully ready. It's all about finding the balance. Did you guys know that asana basically means where one stops movement to find one's true nature? I had to remove my ring because literally I do not advise you to do this with a ring on your hand. It literally hurts. All too often we tend to forget who we truly are, like how divine we really are. So that's why it's essential to just pause the mind, and these asanas really help. It really helps to deepen your fold, and it also, forward folds really help to strengthen your knees and your thighs. Pyramid pose really helps you to deepen your forward folds. It's an amazing stretch, helping to stretch those hips, hamstrings, and calves, and they really help to strengthen the thighs and knees. If this hurts a lot, you guys, remember to breathe deeply and consciously, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Breathe into the stretch, you guys. By working on these stretches daily, it will really help you to deepen your forward folds. Just coming into downward dog, which is really great, as well as stretching your back and your legs. It helps to improve your overall flexibility within the body. Also, downward dog is a really great position for calming the mind and brain. Take a few deep mindful breaths whilst in your downward dog. It really helps to calm depression, anxiety. Now I'm just going to come into a wide forward fold, which is amazing for your stomach and your abs, and also improving your digestion as well. Also great for calming the mind if you're feeling anxious or stressed. Take it as deep as you can, and remember to breathe, you guys. Now all that's left to do is forward fold. I really love forward folds, you guys. I just love the way they make me feel, and I'm really hoping that you guys will love them too and get to experience all the benefits of them. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so very much. Wishing you nothing but peace, love, and light. I shall see you in my next upload. I had to tie my hair up, you guys. Literally, the wind, it was just too much. It even blew over my camera, literally, you guys. OMG. Don't forget to forward fold, you guys. Oh yeah, and subscribe.